Good morning, sports fans. It is Thursday, September 9, 2021. The August stats are out. So August 20 to August 21, average list price up 96%, average sale price up 30%. Year over year, last 12 months versus the 12 months prior, average list price is up 29%, average sale price is up 30%. All very similar numbers to the July over July numbers that we went over last month. More significantly is in the last 18 months, the July to August timeframe had its first significant drop in pricing and its first significant uptick in inventory. Now, 1 month does not a trend make, but to see prices dip just a teens and inventory to come up a teens, that is really good for stabilization of the market. We'll see if that follows through on the September and October numbers, but those are really big numbers that you want to keep an eye on that will tell you where the market's heading. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. If you're looking to buy, sell, invest, rent, build, commercial or residential, give me a call. 219-406-6482. 219-406-6482. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, and make it a great day.